Well, I'm not going to be vlogging anymore because I know what a vlog is. It's basically you walk around showing your whole day, but in this vlog, it's going to be called Off-Topic Day. Off-Topic Fire. In this box. Oh, this. And this. We're going to try it out. So let me just turn the camera. You're here to do it in the bathtub. Hold on. Stay in there. I've never done this before. And I actually really want to see what happens. We opened it. My name's Off-Topic Good now. I don't think I'll have a reaction. Like too much. Oh God. Good. Let's try it. We're back. I ate the Mentos that was in the can. And we are going to do it. 1 minute. I got it. And I'm going to shake it up. I shaked it about like a minute, but it was really fast for you because it was a time lapse. Oh my God.
Shaving cream and texture conditioner. Now, to create a more realistic volcano, we'll add a pinch of sulfur to give it a brimstone smell.
God.
And tomato sauce to simulate the color and texture of molten lava. Then, we add the baking soda and the vinegar.
Just the Mentos.
What I created here is a realistic volcano. It can explode at any second. Or lay dormant for 100 years.
Oh my God.
Okay. See you tomorrow when we'll witness this ticking time bomb detonate. Or just continue to sit there.
Mr. Young, I just have a question about the movie 3.
Well, that was it. See you next time.